Guys, Intergalactic here. Tonight I'm here at the shop doing some maintenance on my cousin's Pontiac G6. It is Halloween tonight, so make sure that you're getting lots of trick-or-treating done. What's up, Mike? Hey man, are you here for your car? Oh man, I've been real busy. I've gotta work on it, man. Oh no, Mike, it'll be good, man. I'll get it done next 2 days. All right, man. No, dude, I'll get it done. I'll get it done tonight. Promise. All right, Mike. We'll get it done. Alright guys, I'm just loosening up some of the bolts I over torqued and how to change brakes and rotors on the Pontiac G6. It turns out I did over torque these bolts and now I'm using a breaker bar to take it back off. So let's hope we don't break any bolts tonight. Never mind, man, it's actually not that bad.
Who does this car belong to?
This is Mike's.
Mike as in, not, you're not talking about Michael Myers?
Yeah, Michael Myers.
Dude, you didn't tell me about that, man. Is he here?
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who that, dude, I don't want to be here is he coming back? Dude, is he coming back? I gotta go. Huh?
Do you see him too?
Hell no. That's what I'm saying. If I see him, though, I gotta get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be here. If you know him, that's cool. But I don't want to be here.
Well,
you've seen the movies, right?
We'll see, dude. Like, I'm gonna have to just.
How the hell did he
bring? To do a shout out to Mike Myers, and this is his car.
All right, man. Well, can we hurry or I don't?
Yep, we're gonna have to try. All right, now we can lift the car.
I think what's so unnerving about that mask is there's part of your brain that wants the expression to change, even though you know it's not real. That's not the part of your brain that's responding. It's that it looks enough like a face that it should be doing certain things, but it's not. It's obviously frozen. Right. So I think it's very unsettling.
It really is, man. So this is the point that we're going to be doing. It's coming.
So through the magic of time lapse, no one got to witness all of the fun.
Yeah.
But what point are you at now?
I'm removing the front bushing bolt without working in the dark. But we don't, once again, have the wrong size. So I'm using 11/16 on a 18 millimeter.
Go figure, right?
Yeah. But hey, at least it didn't break, so.
Now, did any bolts break by chance on the other? On the ball joint by chance?
The ball joint bolt broke. I mean, it just fell apart.
We realized it after we were turning it, and it wasn't cooperating or coordinating with the other side of itself, so it was severed.
This control arm's about to come out, man.
Nice.